Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So we're going to break down a very important part of our yoga flow, which is our Surya Namaskar A or our Sun Salutation A. So Sun Salutation A is usually in the first part of our yoga practice, and it also warms up the body. It wakes up your arms, your core, your legs. Basically, it's an all-over body workout that also stretches and strengthens the body. So aside from being a warm-up, it can also be used to reset our body after a flow or when we move to one side or the other in some more traditional practices. So I'm going to be breaking it down for you, and I'll be giving options for those who are doing this for like the first time, or maybe if you want an easier option, if you want to take your practice a bit more easy for the day. So let's start. Standing at the top of your mat, coming into your mountain pose or Tadasana. Your feet are hip width apart. The four corners of your feet are planted on the mat. Slight micro bend on the knees. Tuck the tailbone in. Engage your core. And bring your hands by your side, palms facing up. When you inhale, sweep the arms up, look up. Exhale, fold down. Inhale, halfway lift. Place the hands on your shins. Or if you can bring your fingertips on the mat. Plant the palms to the ground, bend your knees and step to your plank. Shift yourself forward, shoulders past your wrists, and lower down to your chaturanga. Inhale, sweep the arms up, upward facing dog, look up, thighs off the mat. Exhale, downward facing dog. Stay here for 3 breaths. Look in between your hands, step your right foot forward, followed by your left. Come up once again, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come all the way up, look up. And exhale, hands by your side. This is an easier version that's more gentle on the wrists and the arms. You can do this whenever you feel tired or if you want to take your practice easy. Inhale, slowly come up. Exhale, forward fold. Look up halfway on an inhale, hands on your shins, or if you can reach, fingertips on the mat. Exhale, plant the hands to the ground, coming into your plank. This time, lower your knees down, lift the feet up. Shift the shoulders past your wrists, and then lower down. Inhale, toes down. Sweep up, low cobra. You can keep the thighs on the mat. Don't come up so high. And then exhale, downward facing dog. Look in between your hands, step forward, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Sweep the arms up on an inhale. And exhale, hands down. So that's it for my Surya Namaskar A breakdown. I hope that those tips helped you in your practice. So remember, go at your own pace and always remember to breathe. Hope you enjoyed this class and I'll see you all next week.